We've covered the application points at both the tap as well as a midspan application. Next, you may have to attach to a drop pull, and we have the MSI drop pull attachment. What you will notice is this looks very similar to our multi-span clamp, and it works in much the same way. You will see that it has a tab on the side that, again, you can use to separate the messenger. We're trying to stay away from sticking utility blades or anything like that in between the messenger and cable that may cause damage. Use the tabs, separate the cable. Again, you want about 5 to 6 inches of separated messenger to either side of the center. Wrap clockwise one time around. Put the S-clips like we showed in the midspan application on so that it does not separate the messenger from the cable. And then hang on your J-lag. Pound the J-lag into the pole. Once you have your installation complete on the drop pull attachment, just install and it'll swing freely